Go ahead and open up the Source SDK. I'm not going to teach you how to use FacePoser in this tutorial, but I will show you enough to browse the animations. It's very useful for understanding what you have to work with. If you want to learn FacePoser, you want the Machinima Choreography tutorial also made by Noesis. Alright, there's more than one way to preview the animations, but FacePoser has the most intuitive interface, so go ahead and open it up. Once that's up, make sure you have the following windows open: Animations, 3D View, and maybe the Control Panel. You can close any of the others. If these don't appear on your screen, go down to the tabs at the bottom and right-click on the window you're interested in. If it's hidden, you can click on Show for it to appear. Okay, now go to the blank space in the bottom right here and right-click on it, and click Load Model. And here you can browse the different models in the game. Pick any one you're interested in. I'm going to open Breen here, so I'll select him, then click Open. Now you can see a preview of the model, but you'll probably want a more full body view. To get that, go to Options, then click on Center View. Now go to the preview window, hold down right-click, and drag the cursor down a couple times. And if you left-click, you can rotate them. And I'm going to make this a little larger. Now Breen actually comes through pretty well, but if this black background makes it hard for you to see, you can go to the Control Panel here and check Ground. Now he's more visible, and you can close that window now. And to preview the animations, just click and hold the mouse button on one of the thumbnails here. Okay, that last sequence I just clicked on was actually a gesture, meaning it's an animation that's meant to blend with others. So you have to envision what that would look like. In-game, he would make a laughing motion, but he wouldn't keep his arms outstretched like this. Let's try another. There we go. He is yearning for a sock puppet. And look, now if he bobbed his head and got out a gold chain, he'd be ready to start rapping. Okay, that's all there is to previewing animations. I'm going to close this now. So if you play through the game and browse through the different animations you have available, that's going to be pretty good preparation for figuring out what's possible with the engine. Back to brainstorming. Once you have an idea of your limitations, then write down any ideas you can think of that might be able to happen within those limitations. Once you have several ideas written down, then you can pick one or two out or change them until you're happy with them. Then you can move on to writing your script. And if you still can't come up with any ideas, I hear hallucinogenic drugs inspire some artists. I haven't tried this personally, and it's illegal, and expensive, and can really damage your brain and nervous system, and actually don't do that. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's move on to writing next.